Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And whilst hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you some of the pieces that I picked up, I would say last month. Or it might have been the month before, I can't quite remember. I've had them stashed away for what seemed forever, but I wanted to come on and show you guys what I picked up. So it's from a variety of shops. So I've got from the Frankie Shop, I've got H&M, I've got Allsaints, and I think Uniqlo as well. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to try on. Not sure yet. I might do some cutaways, so if I do end up doing cutaways, you will see that as you go further on in the video. But what I will do is I will leave links to anything that is still available, and I will also put the sizes and prices if I can find them on the screen as well. Some of these pieces I actually got in the sale, so I'm not sure if they will be available, but I will try and find alternatives and pop them in the description box below. So without any further waffling, let me show you the first piece. So first up, we have these pair of slacks. They are called from the Frankie Shop, and these are called the Dawn Button Slack in a khaki brown. Now, this is my first purchase from the Frankie Shop. I picked these up in a size medium. I will say they are a little bit snug. They're a little bit snug. I think if I would have picked up the large, they would have been too big. Small obviously would have been too small, so I think it's a happy medium, but I do think maybe it was a little bit bloated when I tried them on. I don't know. Price wise for these, I think they were 130. No, I think they're on the website at the moment for €138, which is about £120. However, I do believe I got them in the sale, so I did get some discount on them. So I don't know if they've just reverted back to full price because they're no longer in sale, but I can't remember if I actually purchased them at full price. I might well have. Maybe I just found a discount code online. Can't remember. But yes, but they're a lovely brown. I was after a pair of brown slacks to wear, kind of, I would like to dress it down, and I think they'd be a nice kind of addition for work as well, a bit like workwear. But again, I'd probably dress this down with maybe like a t-shirt, and then like with trainers, things like that. So that's kind of how I would wear it. The quality feels really nice on them. They're a nice kind of loose slack kind of fit. They've got a slight little pocket detail on the front here, so I will show you. So they've got like a little pocket detail, which I think is really nice, and as I say, material's really nice pockets. And then it has I think it's a pretend, is it a functioning pocket? No, it's actually, is it a functioning one? No, it's a pretend pocket on the back, I believe, because there's no kind of inside there. So these are the as I say, the, what are they called again? The Dawn Button Slack from the Frankie Shop. So yes, there we have it. And then next I picked up this little cardigan, and this one is from H&M, as I like to call it. And I picked this up, it's their wool and alpaca blend. I picked it up in the sale. I picked this up in a size medium. It fits really nice, and it was £20. I think the original price was about £49. Now, I don't have a lot of cardigans, and when I saw this, I thought, you know what, this would be the perfect kind of throw over for as we get into the slightly warmer months. I'm always cold, so I always need a cardigan or a jacket or something like that. So I thought this would be really nice. I love the colour. I was a bit concerned because it's got the alpaca and it looks a bit like it'd be itchy on the skin, but when I tried it on, it felt really nice. It doesn't have any pockets, doesn't have any buttons, but again, I feel like it's a really nice, decent cardigan to wear, for me anyway, personally, into the warmer months, and like those evenings when you're going out, you don't necessarily want a coat, but you know, again, if you're me, you want something to put on, because unless I'm in the tropics, I'm not leaving without some sort of thing covering my shoulders and arms. So yeah, so I say at the minute I think I've only got probably about 2 cardigans, so I've wanted to add this into my collection. So hopefully it washes well. I have to check the washing instructions, and this one, as I say, it's an alpaca blend. Again, I will leave the link for this if I can find it in the description box down below. Okay. And then next we have this little beauty from that there Uniqlo. So I love Uniqlo. I don't know if you guys know about it or know about it not. It's a place where I like to go if I'm after basics, so like your t-shirts, vests, just really good quality kind of basics, I would say. They do have some slightly different fancy pieces here and there, however I like to go for basics. But I've been after a navy blue jumper for the longest time. I have a navy blue satin like skirt that I've always envisioned the look of it with a jumper similar to this. Now, in all fairness, I wanted something a little bit chunkier to go with the skirt, but I've struggled that much to try and find one. I thought I will settle for this for now, see how that looks together with it. If it doesn't work with the skirt, I will just pair it with a pair of jeans or something else. Again, it's a really nice basic, you know, jumper. It has like a, what's it called? I don't want to say print, like a design, let's say, on the front, and then it is actually plain on the back, so there's no kind of pattern or anything on the back. But this, let's see if it says, I've actually picked this up in a large because I wanted it to be slightly oversized, so I picked it up in a large. And then it doesn't actually have a price on here. Does it tell me what it's actually made out of? So it's 82% acrylic, 13% polyester and 5% wool. So yeah, decent mix, so it shouldn't itch. Hopefully it should wash well. Yeah, I might wear this tomorrow actually. I might wear this tomorrow because I've been holding on to this for the longest time because I've wanted to film and record this video. So tomorrow I think I may put this on. And then sticking with Uniqlo, I picked up this little lounge set. Now this is, I would assume, a take on the, is it Skims? Now I haven't got Skims money. However, if you've watched a couple of my last videos, a few videos before this one, I was doing a bit of a loungewear kind of haul. I was out scouring the world to try and find just some comfy stuff to wear around the house and just kind of look a bit more put together rather than walking around in my dressing gown. I mean, I have no issue walking around in my dressing gown, but you know, from time to time, I just wanted to kind of, you know, spruce it up a little. So I thought, you know, if I can try and find some, you know, nice loungewear that I wouldn't be ashamed to kind of walk around to the corner shop or, you know, answer the door, that kind of thing. And when I went in, I saw this and I loved the chocolate brown colour. So I think it actually came with a vest as well. About the vest, yeah, I'm not about a vest, so there was no point in me buying the vest because I know, although it would have looked fantastic as a whole set, she wasn't going to be wearing a vest. So I stuck with what I knew, which is this cardigan. It has two pockets on the front, so it has a pocket here and a pocket there, and it has buttons, so it's buttons at the front. It's got, as you can see, hopefully here, can you see? Got buttons down the front here, and there it feels really nice and squashy and warm. What time did I pick this up? What size? I picked this up in a size medium, and the price of this was $19.90. I'm not sure what the original price was, $29.90, and then it came with, sorry, no, you had to buy these separate, I do believe, and it comes with a matching, let me just shove that there. Comes with a matching bottom. I picked bottoms up in a medium. These were discounted as well. It doesn't have the discounted price on, so I can't tell you that. But the original price was $19.90 for the bottoms. And then it's just your drawstring. And then it has I like it when it's kind of a gathered cuff rather than a wide pant. So these, and I kid you not, there's no pockets on these, unfortunately. Would have been nice maybe to have one on the back or something like that. But again, I could wear this together as a set, and then I could also wear them as separate. So that's kind of was the idea behind that. But they feel so nice, so nice and soft and snuggly, as I say. And it, for me, like I say, I struggle with the heat. So I always need to be warm. So I feel like these are a perfect vibe for that. Okay, so next we have this from Allsaints. Now this is what do they call this? It is the So that's ASETIE hoodie. And it's in a washed black, size medium. I did pick this up in the sale. Unfortunately, I think I went through a lot of my emails about a month ago and just kind of got rid, because I'm not exaggerating, I think I had like 10,000 emails, and one of them for some reason I just don't delete. It takes me a while to delete, even though I know I don't need it. But anyway, I chose this day and I deleted everything, and I think it was included in the deletion. So my apologies, I can't tell you how much it was in sale. However, as I say, the full price was £99. Now, this, when I saw it on the website, I think I was looking at it in green. They didn't have it in my size in green, so I thought, oh, let me see what they had in black. Ordered it, and I don't have a lot of tops, and when I say tops, I feel like I have a lot of t-shirts, but that transition from like the cooler months into the warmer months, because you don't necessarily need a big jumper, but at the same time you can't wear a t-shirt. I've really struggled when it comes to kind of just day-to-day wear, because I don't have a lot. So I thought, you know what, let me see if I can pick up some hoodies and things like that. Now, on the website, you can't see the sparkle, so there you can see it sparkle. Literally, it's the tiniest. I'll see if I can do a cutaway for you. It's like little, I'll get a bit closer even. So it's like little diamantes. I couldn't see that on the actual website, so I just thought it was a plain black hoodie, which I would have been more than happy about. But then when it came and I took it out of the box, out the bag, I was pleasantly surprised. It's so kind of, I mean, on the camera there it looks, maybe, I don't know, looks a bit OTT, but in real life you don't really see it. It's really subtle, so it's only like as you move and the light catches that you see, and I absolutely loved that. Absolutely loved it. So this would be something that I would wear with, I like a bit of a grunge kind of look, so I feel like this would be nice with my leather look leggings that I've got, and maybe my Docs or my like ankle boots, and just kind of tone it down out the way. And maybe, you know, I feel like with this, it's not too fleecy inside, it's nice enough, but I'd probably have to wear maybe a t-shirt underneath this if I wanted to kind of wear it on its own and not put a jacket over it to kind of cover all the splendidness sparkle. But yeah, it's something that I feel like I will be able to rock again and again and again. I just hope that these little diamante pieces don't kind of come off too soon, because obviously I feel like that will kind of spoil a little bit. But we'll have to wait and see what happens with it. And it's got this nice little hood. So yes, that is from that there Allsaints. Everyone, that is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below which of the items that I showed you today were your favourite. If you do have any questions about anything I've shown as well, please do also leave those in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer anything that I can. I will leave some of my previous videos here at the end for you to watch, so if you're interested, please, you know, click away. And if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button before you leave, and that like button, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now. See ya.